Hello everybody and welcome back to the Blind Bartender YouTube channel. Today we're gonna continue our theme of Halloween drinks. We're going all the way till the end of October, guys. Today we're gonna be making the Succubus Kiss shot. What we're gonna be using is effing vodka, black cherry, and vanilla. And we're gonna be using blackberry syrup. Blackberry. So what you're gonna wanna start off with is your syrup, and you don't want to use a whole lot because this is very strong. You're gonna want to take your small one and fill it maybe a quarter of the way. Then you're gonna want to grab your vodka and put just under a full shot to account for the syrup. This is to make one shot. Then you're gonna get your ice inside your shaker. Lid on the shaker. And then strain this one off into, ooh, that would have been a waste of vodka. Strain this one right into your glass. And there you have it, guys. That is your Succubus Kiss shot. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this drink. And I hope you enjoy your Halloween.